Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a memory plan with me and my A5 wide planner from July 18th to July 24th of 2022. And I just could not use this. I got this the other day and I have to use it. It's from Ink Paper Plan and it is this Pac Man themed kit, and I can't wait to lay it down. I can't wait. So I thought I would film it and I'll show you the freebies that it came with and we'll go through the process. So here's the front page. It's done in like a silver foil. Oh, so cute. Here's your bottom washi. That's upside down. Here's your bottom washi. Pretty. It's kind of like these primary colors, sort of. I mean, not really, but you get it. It's like a, the red, the blue, purple, and gold. And here is you get tons of headers. Look at this. These are all headers and then an extra, so 7, then an extra 2 headers, 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 and then these are all headers. So you can definitely pull those into a lot of spreads. These are your boxes. Isn't that so pretty? And here are some more headers and your check boxes. Okay, and this is the last page. You have some icons, some more little bow checklists, some square boxes, some of these scallops, and some other little icons. And this is just absolutely beautiful. And here's some scripts that are not foiled. This and the icons are the only 2 things on the page that are not foiled. This is just the cutest of kits. Now I just have to decide if I'm going to use underlays or not. I'm definitely going to pull in a piece of overlay for this down here because this is so shiny. I have to put something on top of there. And do I want to use bougie boxes or not? These are the freebies that came with it. Real quick. Cute. I'll definitely use these little scripts. Minted papery. Jamco blue. Ink Paper Plan. That's pretty. I'll definitely use that. Shine stickers. These are so cute. Butterflies from saltandsigil.com. Nicole Alexia Designs and Sticker Guru. Ooh, pretty. Unfortunately, none of them go with the spread I'm using. I think I'm going to use all cute little icons. I don't know. So I will either put music on and speed this up and then come back to you for the day-to-day, or I may continue talking through. If I do, then I'll just keep talking, and here we go. Otherwise, listen below, and please, if you think about it, I would love if you would subscribe, maybe give it a thumbs up, a comment. All that stuff really helps, and I really do appreciate it. Trying to get up to 200 subscribers, so any help would be lovely. Thank you. Okay, enough housekeeping. Excuse me. Let's get on with laying down these plans. Okay, so I think I will zoom you in first of all. One sec. Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna head into the day by day, but I'm actually not gonna do the day by day on here. I'm just gonna show me laying down the stickers. And I decided to color block with no white space. If you want to see what the day by day looks like when it's finished, go ahead and head over to my Instagram page at Be Sassy Stickers. And I did a reel over there where you can see what the final spread looks like. It looks really cute. I love the way it turned out. I just felt like I didn't want any white space because I wanted to use every sticker that was in the kit if possible, and use the little icons that came with it, and also any sort of like character stickers also. Okay, so here I am. I'm just laying down the rows here in my sidebar, and I'm literally just gonna do this down the sides if you just want to watch me go through this. I don't know about you guys, but when I was a kid, we used to go to restaurants and they would have Pac Man machines, and you could sit down at the machine and play the Pac Man machine across each other at a table. And a couple years ago, my mom got me one for Christmas, and I just loved it. It was during the pandemic, and there wasn't much to do at home, so it was a great way to pass the time. Would be to play this Pac Man machine, and it's made by a company called Arcade One, where they did the exact replicas of these old machines. And if anybody's out there old enough to know, they're just so fun. It has Galaga on it and Pac Man. Galaga became one of our favorites, but of course, I mean, this Pac Man kit is just so incredibly cute. Look at these full boxes. I used the one that said ready on it in the sidebar, and I'm just going to lay these down in the normal pattern that I normally lay all the full boxes in, and just follow that kit down each single row. Now this paper is amazing. This is a print impression planner, and pretty much everything sticks to it. You can't pull up any stickers from it. So I was surprised with the sticker paper from Ink Paper Plans, how great it actually pulled up. You can see a few times where it actually rips the paper, but that's nothing compared to what normal stickers kits would do. It's just, I love the way it turned out. Comment down below if anyone loves Pac Man as much as I do. I also went to their site too. They have a Monopoly kit, and I think I'm going to get that and use that in a further spread. So I'm just finishing up the sidebar here, filling in every single piece of white space so there's nothing left. This is the red sidebar. Now when I get to the day by day, I have a few issues here trying to figure out the spacing, but bear with me. I will kind of try to figure it out as I go along. Here I actually decided to put these little headers down at the bottom just to fill in this space. I don't think I've ever done that before, but I just, like I said, I wanted to use every sticker in the kit. So I didn't feel like I wanted any white space down there at the bottom. So here we go. I'm just using a large July script. And this is the part where I started having some problems with spacing. I'm so sorry. It just gets it's a little annoying to watch me pull it up and peel it, put it back down. Anyway, please bear with me. Since it's sped up like 8 times speed, it goes by pretty fast. And here we go. I think I finally figured it out. I went ahead and went from Monday to Wednesday to make sure I had enough stickers that were yellow to fill in Monday and Wednesday. And it worked out just fine. What else went on this week? I have, Big Brother was this week. So I love me some Big Brother. I wait every single year to watch Big Brother. And let's see what happened on Wednesday. Michael, did he win the veto? I think he won the veto. He's won so many vetoes. And sorry about that if you can hear my planner charm going around. And then on Thursday, I don't have it on here who got voted out, and I don't remember. But I do know on Sunday that Pooch got evicted, and Turner was the HOH, and Britt and Michael were the noms. So I don't remember much about Pooch. You know, it is what it is. I wasn't necessarily too bummed that he was out of the picture. I love Michael. Who is your favorite Big Brother character? I love Michael. I want him to win so bad. He's smart. He's funny. He's by far the most intelligent person on the show, I think, personally, and I really want him to win. And I think he's going to go far. And I think they super underestimated this dude. And we'll see what happens. It's down to like the final 8 as I am recording this video right now. And he is just doing a banging job. So good for you, Michael. I'm here for it. I'm absolutely here for it. This week they did the outdoor one where half of them went to like an inner festival, you know, one of those music festivals, and the other group had to go outside, and it was great. Terrence, yes, that was amazing. Also, I think he would be my second choice to win. Terrence is a totally underestimated player. Anyway, okay, so if you're not into the whole Big Brother thing, I will move it along. But man, I love it. Love, 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 love. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down these stickers. Since I don't have any character stickers or anything, I did use a bunch from Once More with Love, A Coffee Monsters Co., Crafts by Towie, obviously all the ones from Ink Paper Plans. What else is on here? I think I have some from... I had a little Mario sticker from Coffee Monsters Co. that was so freaking cute. I used it down in the bottom of my sidebar. Came out really cute. What else is in here? Oh, I had some from Plan for Happy and some, I think it's called Plan So Cute also. And what else is going on here? Not a whole much. Not a whole lot of anything. I hope everybody's doing well. Trying to... Oh, see the little Pac Man stickers. They're just so cute. I'm sure that I used them all, and anything left over I used in my smaller planner kit. And so of course I used every single sticker. But okay, so we're wrapping it up here. This is like the final section here. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And come back and let me know what you think of these. I guess they're like arcade, themed spreads. But thank you again so much for watching. I hope everybody has a great week or weekend, and we'll talk to you later. So this is what it looks like so far. It is very pretty. I love it so much. This is from Ink Paper Plans. I don't know if this is on our website right now, but I went and looked for it, and she actually put up a special listing, and I bought it from there. So if you're interested in it, maybe just ask her and she maybe has them. But this is absolutely flipping gorgeous. I love it. So I'm gonna lay down my plans, and if you'd like to see what that looks like, head on over to my Instagram and I will show you what it looks like when it's all done. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.